Good day, I'm Lancelot A. Arabala, and this is Reservoir Level Control. In Reservoir Level Control is a PLC-based design that controls the water level of the reservoir. It can use to supply water, hydroelectricity, flood control, canal, recreation, downstream, water supply, and irrigation. We need this to prevent the damages in the reservoir when it reaches the critical point. And this is the machine design. When the water is in normal level, the light indicator will on. When the water is in critical low level, the light indicator will on and it will alarm. When the water is in the critical high level, the light indicator will on and it will alarm, and it will drain the water until it reaches the normal level. Input and output. Input: start, push button, and sensor. Output: dam critical high level light, dam critical low level light, dam water normal light, low level alarm, high level alarm. This is the ladder diagram. Conclusion: this machine can be used in monitoring the water level, and this can lessen the manpower needed to finish the process. This can serve as an indicator to prevent the overflowing of water in case of heavy rains. At first, there is a switch for the entire program. When the water level sensor detects the water to be normal, an indicator light will turn on. And when the sensor detected the water in critical high level, an indicator light will turn on, and at the same time, it will alarm. The drain valve will release some water level until it reaches the normal level. And when the water is in critical low level, the indicator light will turn on and it will alarm.